Hello, welcome to a new video. In this tutorial I will show you how to check if a photograph is located in a folder based on the names of those photographs listed in a table, in this case a table attached to a shapefile. Firstly, I will quickly show you the working shapefile by opening its attribute table. It's a simple shapefile just for demonstration purposes. And as you can see, this last field here refers to a list of photographs, meaning that according to the list, each feature has an associated photo. What we are going to do is use a Python script to check whether these photos actually exist or not. Obviously, with only 6 features, this wouldn't be necessary, but when dealing with hundreds or even thousands of features, this script becomes really handy. This folder contains the photographs where I intentionally left out 2 of them, photo number 3 and photo number 6. So if we go back to ArcGIS Pro, these 2 features here will trigger a warning in the script we're about to run. Let's deselect the features and go back to the folder. I'm going to open this txt file that contains the code. You can download this file using the link I've left in the description. I'm going to select everything and copy it. Back in ArcGIS Pro we go to Analysis, Python, and then Python window, and paste the code. After that we just need to change 4 things. The first is the exact location of the shapefile we want to analyze, so we just copy the path and paste it here. We add a backslash and type the name of the shapefile, including the .shp extension. Next, we need to define the field within the shapefile that will be analyzed. To do that, we type the name of the field, which in this case is photo. Then we set the path to the folder where the photos are located, and we just copy it and paste it inside the quotation marks. Finally, we need to define a name for a new field in the shapefile. This field will tell us 2 things. If the photo exists, it will show yes, and if the photo doesn't exist, it will say not found. I'm going to name this field photocheck, and to run the code, just select the last line and press enter twice. Photocheck completed, the script ran without any issues, and as we can see, we now have a new field in our attribute table that tells us whether the photos exist or not. And as we had already seen, it's photo number 3 and photo number 6 that are missing, so the script is working correctly. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment what you want to learn next.